Come take a look at this 2000 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, red cab 133.0 WB. This Silverado 1500 has just under 124,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter V8 engine and has an automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 866-532-9201 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.